गुड मॉर्निंग।
मैम मीटिंग का मैम पासवर्ड क्या है मैम?
पासवर्ड क्यों तुम नहीं ज्वाइन कर पा रहे हो?
नो मैम, हम लैपटॉप से मैम ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं।
तुमको क्लास ग्रुप में भेज देते हैं व्हाट्सएप।
मैम पासवर्ड भेज दीजिए।
वेट। I've sent it in the group.
ओके मैम।
Okay. So the portion for tomorrow's Sunday test, Tiger in the Zoo. We will just do a quick revision and then some question answers. Okay. Okay. So the poem Tiger in the Zoo. Can any of you tell me what is the message of the poem? What is the message of the poem? Hello. What is the message? Tell me. What is the... Hello.
हेलो।
Okay, so can anyone tell me what is the message or the central idea of the poem?
We should not capture any animals in the cage.
Okay, yes. One message is that you should not keep the animals in captivity. Animals also love their freedom like human beings, and the human beings don't have the right to cage the animals for their own fun and entertainment, because this earth belongs to the animals as much as to the human beings, and they don't have the right to cage the animals, because freedom is precious to everyone. Freedom is precious even to the animals. So uh, that is the central idea or the message of the poem, that man does not have the right to cage the animals for his own fun and entertainment. And the poet he sympathizes the poet sympathizes a lot with the tiger. The poet has lot of sympathy for the poor tiger who has been caged by the human beings, and he gives us a picture of the tiger who is in the zoo, what the tiger feels like. So being a very sensitive and sympathetic person, Leslie Norris, the poet, he gives us a mental picture of the tiger uh, who is caged. So this tiger, uh, this is the description of the tiger. Stalks means moves quietly, and the tiger has bright, clear stripes on its body. Uh, uh, and he is locked in a small cage. So what can he do in the cage? टाइगर को जो है एक केज में बंद कर दिया गया, वो कर क्या सकता है? बस अपने केज का जो डिस्टेंस है, ही कैन वॉक अप एंड डाउन. देन द soft feet of the tiger is said to
मैम
be like
वीवीड
wings.
मतलब एंग्री भी ना होता है.
क्या क्या निशु बोलो?
मैम वीवीड मतलब एंग्री भी ना होता.
वीकेंड मतलब रेज मतलब एंगर.
Vivid.
विविड नहीं, विविड मतलब एकदम क्लियर ब्राइट. Rage means anger. So the poet is describing the tiger. What is the tiger doing in the cage? He's just walking the few steps of his cage, and he is very very angry. The tiger is very helpless. So the poet is trying to show us the helplessness and anger of the tiger. He cannot do anything. Why? Because his strength is locked behind the bars. टाइगर का जो पूरा शक्ति है उसको तो ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने कैप्चर कर लिया है. सो हिज स्ट्रेंथ इज लॉक्ड बिहाइंड द बार्स. व्हाट कैन ही डू? So he is a helpless creature, such a ferocious noble animal. What has man done to it? He has caged him. Quiet rage means anger. So he should be lurking in the shadow. The poet कहता है तो पहला in the first paragraph he gives us a mental picture of the tiger, how he is feeling very very angry. He cannot express his anger, quiet rage. So he cannot express his anger, but he is angry. Then the poet tells us the real place of a tiger. Second stanza, what does the poet say? That the real place of the tiger is in the forest, in the jungle. उसको वहां होना चाहिए था. Should be lurking. Lurking means hiding. So uh, the poet is saying that being in the cage does not suit the tiger's personality. He should be in the jungle. He should be hiding in the shadow. He should be moving through the long grass near the water hole. So poet is saying that real place of the tiger is in the jungle. That is its natural habitat. So he is criticizing the human beings, and in a way he is telling them to free the tiger. Let the tiger be free in the natural habitat. He should be in the long grass. He should be hunting for its prey. That suits the tiger's personality. So the tiger also hunts the animals, but the tiger does not do it for fun or entertainment. हाँ, टाइगर भी दूसरे जानवरों को मारता, लेकिन वो अपने खाना के लिए. He does it for his food. He does not do it just for fun or entertainment like the human beings. So the poet says that the real place of the tiger is in the forest, where he should be hiding. He should be moving in the tall grass to wait for the fat deer who will come to drink water near the water hole. और टाइगर को क्या करना चाहिए? He should be snarling. He should be growling. Snarling means the sound, growling, uh, rough sound at the jungle's edge. And he should be scaring the villagers. What suits the tiger's personality? The tiger is a ferocious animal. He should be scaring the villagers with his white teeth, uncovered white teeth. Bearing matlab uncovered. Uncovered. So he should be terrorizing the village. Here also the poet says that the tiger just scares the villagers. He does not attack them without any purpose. So this is the real place of the tiger, in the jungle, hunting for the fat deer. Then the tiger should be terrorizing the village people near the jungle. But he is locked in a concrete cell. But in the present situation, But in the present situation, what is the condition of the tiger? In the present situation, the tiger in the present situation, the tiger is locked in the cemented cell. Concrete. Concrete means cemented. Uh, his strength behind his bars. He has lost all his strength behind the iron bars of the cage. And the tiger just ignores the visitors. कोई ध्यान नहीं देता है वो visitors पर. So this also shows his anger. This shows his anger. Why does he ignores the visitor? Because uh, he is angry at all the human beings who take him as a showpiece. For the human beings, he is a showpiece, he is an object of entertainment, and he is very angry at their attitude. So he just ignores them. He hears the last voice at night, and what is the last voice that he hears at night? The voice of the uh, cars who have
Patrolling cars.
yes, patrolling cars. Patrolling means who come for checking. So patrolling cars are the cars who come for checking the safety, security of the area. So he hears the voice of the patrolling cars, and with his bright eyes he looks at the bright sky, hoping that one day he may be free. He looks at the bright stars with the hope that one day he may also be free. So uh, you have understood the poem? किसी को कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the poet is criticizing the human beings for caging the animals, for treating them as an object of fun and entertainment, and he tries to give the message that freedom is precious to everyone, and man does not have the right to cage the animals for his entertainment and fun. That is the message. Okay, so uh, he stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his cage on pads of velvet, quiet in his quiet rage. Why the tiger could walk only a few steps? Batao? Hello?
Because he was locked in a small cage.
Because, yes, because he was locked in a small cage. How does the tiger move in the cage? How does he move? Quietly. What are the two qualities of the animal under reference? So here qualities you can mention the physical appearance, two qualities, because
Ma'am, pads of velvet coat.
yes, so one is velvet, soft feet. It has very soft
Vivid
feet,
stripes.
Ma'am, it has
soft,
vivid stripes.
soft feet like velvet. So what is the figure of speech? ये जो pads of velvet है, तो what is the figure of
Metaphor.
metaphor? So here the uh, feet is not compared. It is said that the feet is velvet. So it is a metaphor. And also in this stanza, personification has been used because the poet has used the word he for tiger. It उन्होंने यूज नहीं किया, तो दैट इज soft and soft feet and like velvet and vivid stripes. These are the two qualities. Why is he in quiet rage?
Because he was locked in a cage.
Yes, he was helpless, locked in cage. Okay. Because his freedom is curtailed. Okay. He should be lurking in the shadows, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. Who will answer the first question? Who is here? Here. Aditya Raj, answer karo. Who is he here? He should be lurking in the
May I
shadow.
answer?
Aditya?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
lion.
the tiger.
Tiger. Where? Okay.
Tiger.
Yes. Where should he be lurking? Where should the
In-
tiger
In the
be?
In
shadow.
shadow.
In the shadow.
Shadow.
In the shadow.
In the shadow. Where should he be sliding?
Through the
On
long grass.
To the long grass.
Okay, all the answers are very clearly given in the extract. In the long grass. Who would pass through the water hole?
Plump
Plump
deer.
deer.
Some deer.
Okay. Up. अंदर करने के लिए। हाँ सही है, अच्छा तो बोल। नहीं नहीं लगा देंगे हम लोग अब। ओके सो हाँ फेंक देंगे उधर से। Okay, he should be snarling around the houses at the jungle's edge, baring his white fangs, his claws. Okay, what does the poet try to suggest through these lines?
The tiger should be in jungle, not in the cage.
Okay. So the poet is trying to suggest that the tiger should be left free to live in its natural habitat. So the poet is trying to suggest that the tiger should be left free to live in its natural habitat. Should be मतलब उसको वहां रहना चाहिए. Why does the tiger scare the? How does the tiger scare the people?
By showing his teeth and sharp nails.
Yes, by showing his baring his white fangs. So what are the words used? Bearing. Bearing means
Uncovered.
yes. Bearing means uncovered and white fangs means the white teeth. So by showing his uncovered teeth and sharp claws and also by growling. Huh? Showing his uncovered teeth, claws, sharp claws, and by growling. That also you can add, and by growling, sharp claws. So, why does he snarl? Why does he snarl? Anuj Sharan, why does the tiger snarl? Snarling matlab gurrana, growling. Why does the hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Advit, you answer. Why does the tiger snarl?
Ma'am,
Yes,
because he is
ma'am.
very angry.
Yes, Advit?
Ma'am, because he is very angry.
Yes, he's angry. He wants to uh, scare the villagers. To scare. Terrorizing. यहाँ पर है ना क्या? Terrorizing the village. So he wants to scare the villagers. So how does he show his presence? How does he make the villagers
Am I
realize that he is
audible?
present? Yes, Anuj, you want to answer this for D question? How does he show
Yes,
his
ma'am, I can
presence?
answer. How he refers to the tiger. Ma'am, what is the question?
How does he show his presence? ये जो डी क्वेश्चन है वो अपना प्रेजेंस कैसे विलेजर्स को दिखाता है?
By snarling and frighting them.
Okay, by snarling and terrorizing them. इसमें है by bearing his white teeth, लेकिन ये आंसर भी सही ही है. He shows his presence by growling. Okay, यहाँ आंसर. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind his bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. What does the phrase his strength behind the bars suggest?
Because he locked in cage.
Because
He was helpless and
so it suggests his helplessness. Okay. Why does the tiger ignore the visitors?
To show her and to show
Yes, to show his anger. To show his anger as no one bothers to help the tiger. None of the visitors care. What is the tiger doing in the cage?
he was walking quietly.
Yes, talking. So, walking quietly. So, he was walking quietly. What does the expression stalking the length of the cage imply? Stalking the length of the cage. Stalking the length of the cage means what? Moving to and fro in the cage. Stalking the length of the cage मतलब क्या? केज का जो दूरी है उसमें वो चल रहा है. केज में लॉक होके टाइगर कर ही क्या सकता है? जो लिमिटेड स्पेस है उसके पिंजरे में वहां चल सकता है. सो स्टॉकिंग द लेंथ ऑफ द केज मीन्स वॉकिंग अप एंड डाउन द केज, वॉकिंग टू एंड फ्रो, walking to and fro, walking up and down the cage. So he hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. What kind of voices does the tiger hear? So you have to answer according to this extract. So what kind of voices the tiger hears at night? Who will answer? Mm. Ayush Mehra. Ayush Mehra. Hello. Ayush. Digambar.
Ma'am, night patrolling sound. Ma'am, night patrolling sound.
Night patrolling sound. The dear
Ma'am,
one.
patrolling sounds of the car.
Yes, it's clearly given. Sounds of the patrolling car. So he hears the sound of the patrolling cars. Then where does the tiger look at it in the night?
At the stars.
Brilliant stars.
At the stars.
Looks at the shining. You can write shining stars or you can write brilliant stars. Looks at the shining stars or looks at the brilliant stars. Shining stars or brilliant stars. Okay. What do you mean by patrolling?
To
Is
check that everything is fine or not.
checking.
Yes. Move in an area to move in an area to check its safety. Okay. What is the effect of the repeated use of the word brilliant? What is the effect of the repeated use of the word brilliant? Hmm? It tells us that the tiger has some hope, shining eyes. The hope is shining in his eyes. It tells us that the tiger is hopeful that he would be free in someday. Hmm? इसमें तो कुछ और दिया बस brilliant stars are livable, but this also you can have. What? Okay. How does a tiger create terror for the villagers? चलो कौन बताएगा? Dhruv, how does the tiger create terror for the villagers?
Ma'am, by snaring around the village.
Yes, snarling and one more thing.
Showing his uncovered teeth and sharp nails.
Yes, it is a repetition. We have done it, but these are short type questions. By snarling and by showing his sharp teeth. Leslie Norris has described some of the activities of a tiger behind its cage. What are the activities of the tiger behind the cage? One is he stalks.
Slide through long grasses.
नहीं नहीं, यहाँ पर केज है. केज में वो क्या क्या करता है? Of a tiger behind the bars.
Ma'am, moving in a slow manner.
Okay. Moving to and fro in the cage. एक तो
Ignoring visitors.
I'm ignoring visitors.
Ignores visitors. Then
Stalking the length of the cage.
क्या अनुज Anuj, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या बोलो. Looks at
Ma'am,
the
hoping for the freedom.
okay, hoping for freedom, looking at the brilliant stars. Oops, okay. Describe the tiger in the cage. देखें कुछ नया. Describe the tiger in the wild. और क्या क्या question. So, describe the tiger in the cage. Is helpless, moves to and fro in quiet rage.
Angry.
Yes. Angry, wahi quiet rage.
Ma'am, very sad.
Yes. Very sad. Longs for freedom. Longs means desires. Yeah, desires freedom desperately.
Frustrated.
Okay, yes, frustrated. Frustrated, yes, of course, he will be frustrated. Describe the tiger in the wild. Tiger in the forest. He is free. He shows his strength. By scaring the villagers, terrorize. What are the things he does in the forest?
I'm hunting.
He hunts for his prey. He's free, hunts. Why does the tiger express his rage quietly? Because there is nothing he can do from behind the bars of the cage. हाँ, शांत क्यों है? गुस्सा है लेकिन शांत क्यों है? क्योंकि वो जानता है कि पिंजड़े के पीछे
He
से
cannot do anything.
there is nothing he can do from behind the bars of the cage. He is helpless. So where should the tiger have been according to the poet?
I'm in the
In the
wild.
forest.
In the wild. In the forest, or you can write in its natural habitat, in the jungle. So how does the tiger makes his presence? ये तो extract वाला में भी था. By snarling around the. What does the tiger in the zoo? What does the tiger do in the zoo? बस zoo का जो distance है उसमें वो चल सकता और nothing else he can do, can just walk. Why should the tiger snarl around houses at the edge of the forest? To snarl around the house, to frighten the villagers. What is the tiger doing? So why do you think he looks at the stars? उसको कोई कुछ आशा है. He with hope. So he looks at the stars with some hope. His eyes are shining because there is still some hope left in him. So what does the poet convey? He conveys the miserable. Miserable matlab sad. Okay. Value based. Value based questions also you can get from the long type. Love for freedom is the natural instinct of every living being. Comment. God has made all living beings equally, and thus the animals too have the right to freedom. Is it right to confine wild animals in cage? Is it right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Wild animals are meant to live in the wild. So all the animals have the right to live in their natural habitat. They are not meant to be caged. Okay. Okay. So we have revised this poem. Okay. I'm ending the class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Monday we'll
Thank you,
start. Monday we will start a new chapter. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Have a
Thank you, ma'am.
nice day, ma'am.
Yes. Bye. All of you be safe. Okay.
You too, ma'am.
Yes. I take all the precautions. I don't go out at all.